I am going to explain to you how to complete the digital citizenship poster assignment. If you are reading these directions and listening to them, that means you have completed the note-taking part of this assignment about digital citizenship. If you don't have the assignment done, or you haven't even started the note-taking portion, stop the video, finish your note-taking, or go get a copy of these notes from your teacher, and then come back and watch this assignment. Otherwise, those of you that have that step done, you are ready then to start working on your poster. To create the poster, you are going to, first of all, on a Word document, just create a text box, and you will place in that text box your definition of digital citizenship that you find here on your notes, what it is digital citizenship. And so if you have your Word document up, you simply would insert the text box, type in your definition of what digital citizenship is, blah, 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 okay, and then format this text box and place it in a good location. When you format a text box or any shape that we put on this document, that means change the borders, do something with the fill, font size, color, placement. Just make sure you make it all very, very readable. And then when you have that done, you are ready to move on to step 2. You pick from 5 of the 8 categories of the components of digital citizenship. So again, if you look at your notes, you have screen time, cyberbullying, cybersecurity, digital footprint, privacy, internet safety, validity of sources, and respect for and copyright. Those are the 8 categories. You will pick 5 of those categories. Okay, and it doesn't matter which 5 you choose to pick. From the 5, you should then have their definitions of what they mean. Okay, you will not be placing the definitions on this poster. Number 3, you create 5 different shapes, one for each of the 5 components you picked. Do not do all 8. Okay. What you will do is you will place text in each of the shapes, and then you must include the category name and then an I will statement about what you personally feel and what you will do regarding that category. Here's an example. You will notice in this example there is not a definition. That is on your note-taking sheet. You use the definition for understanding, but you will write down your I will statement. Okay, make sure the statement is in sentence format. So if I zoom in on this a little bit more, the category is screen time. The statement is, I will manage my screen time and multitasking to the appropriate time and place. Now, you can't use that I will statement. While you may use and do your own, you have to then come up with your own I will statement. Again, notice nothing here is a definition. Okay, so if I am on my Word document and I've done my definition, then I insert 5 different shapes. Okay, not squares. Okay, because then it looks like it might be a text box. And remember, some of these may not be good. Triangles don't work the best because you can't get text all the way to the top. But maybe you want to use one of your shapes like this. And then we did do the add text, but just for a reminder, you right click it, you add text, and then you type your topic, and then you put your I will statement below it, and you just continue to put it in there. And when you're done, you then can format this. You can do what you want with the text and the sizing and the centering, and the formatting means that you have to fill in the text color and the border color. And you have to make it look like a high school kid did this, not just somebody who put it all together. So every shape is formatted, no default settings. Think about consistency. When you're done, you should have the following items: a text box with your definition, and then 5 different shapes, each with the category name and your I will statement fitting on one page. Here's some FAQs that you can go through on your own. Be creative and see what you can come up with.